How you going, everyone? Welcome back to Sensibility. We have an unboxing. This I wanted to talk about weeks ago, even months ago, when I first got the Discovery set from Matiere Premiere. This was my favourite, but I wanted to wait until I got a full bottle because I loved it so much. Bois de ebene, French for ebony wood or dark wood. This is a 50ml. Very designer packaging. It's the only thing I don't like about this brand is their boring designer packaging. This is a 50ml bottle. A little bit goes a long way with this. It's an eau de parfum. Do we have made in France? We don't have the volume, but that's okay. I'll give you real notes down the bottom. There is juniper and dark woods, and it is just amazing. It's so smooth and beautiful. Terrible atomizer. For such an expensive brand, we thought it would be a bit better. It really sucks when you have such an amazing fragrance and it's such a nice bottle and then the atomizer is terrible. The packaging is hella boring. Takes away from the experience. It's just that bitter juniper berry, which is kind of this like bitter green, and then it just has this beautiful spicy deep dark wood behind it. It's very intoxicating, it's very warming, it's such a beautifully interesting and different smell. Very, very nicely blended. Maybe not for everyone. It's definitely leaning masculine, but women could definitely pull this off if you're into those more dark, rich, incensey kind of spicy fragrances. Yeah, beautiful, sparkling, spicy, bitter, dark, dense. It's awesome. It's interesting because this one, and I love Cedrat cologne, which is kind of like they're on the complete opposite sides of the scale when you think about it. One's really bright, sparkling, and invigorating, and this one's just dark, warm, spicy, and like a really strong hug in winter. So I love it, and it's winter now, so it's like perfect. Oh, it's so good. Bois de ebene, ebony wood. Matiere Premiere, get your nose on it. Awesome fragrance. Hopefully I'll be able to bring you something new soon. See you next time.